Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Ratsudo. I'm the original hipster, and today we are doing another unboxing WWE action figures. Disclaimer, this was actually bought by my life manager for herself. She is a big fan, as she calls her, my girl, Bianca Belair. She's got a great gimmick. She's had this long ass braid and she whips around, and she is, without a doubt, the EST. If you guys saw my other video, unboxing Rey Mysterio, she is not as detailed as he was, even though she does have the EST written in the back, and then she has her signature lip kisses all over her back, which I don't know if those are real tattoos on her or not. I'm gonna have to Google that. But here is the braid that I was talking about. She uses this to like whiplash people, to hit people, to like pull people and stuff like that. So at least that is pretty cool. She looks a little bit like her. I'm not too crazy. I don't think she really looks like her, so I don't know if that's just a manufacturing issue or a copyright issue. I don't know. Nobody's ever made a toy about me, so I wouldn't know. She doesn't have switchable hands, but she does have a hand to slap a bitch and then a fist to punch a bitch. I needed more female figures because back there I have Charlotte Flair, I have Sasha Banks, and non-related I have Lady J from G.I. Joe. For $10, you can't really complain. She has the EST on her braid. She's got it on her back of her pants. She got lips tattoos in her physique in her big strong back. And overall, for $10, it's not that bad. So there you have it, folks. Here is the EST, Miss Bianca Belair. Feel free to send me anything that you want me to unbox. But other than that, thank you for tuning in. As I mentioned earlier, I'm Ratsudo, the original hipster. Thanks for watching.